So I'm out here getting the smoker ready to do a cook today. I'm gonna do a couple of pork butts and probably 2 or 3 racks of ribs. Wanted to show you something here. On these Yoder loaded Wichitas, you get this cooking grate in the firebox, and there's another grate that goes down there. Kind of hard to see. I keep it in here. This thing's nasty, but yeah, that grate. But the thing about it is, it sets way up here, kind of high. So you have a huge gap down here. I don't really like that much of a gap between the coals and the wood. So I've been cooking just on in the bottom of this, which a lot of offsets, they don't have any type of a grate or anything in them. You just cook right on the bottom and it's worked fine. But I looked on Amazon and found one of these. It's like a little grate that goes in a fireplace. So I'm gonna try this thing out. Just something to help control the cleaner burn. See, that don't set up quite as high as that other grate that came with it does. You know, the better airflow you get, the less likely you are to get any dirty smoke. So yeah, I put that in there, but I'll go ahead and tell you, if you buy one of these on Amazon, and I'll tell you the brand, I have to go look it up in a minute. Those bolts and stuff that come with it, they're extremely oily. They're just soaked in oil. So when I put this thing together, what I ended up doing is I soaked it in the sink in hot water and dish detergent, because I don't really care if it rusts. It's going to be in here, but I don't want that oil, you know, cooking and going into my meat and stuff here. That top lid, I think I was getting a heck of a glare. You can see a little better here. But yeah, it fits in there just right. Here it is. It's the Willow Weave. It's a 17-inch long fireplace grate. That comes in different lengths. I got the 17-inch because that fits my firebox right. But you see there's different options here. Wasn't too expensive, $35, free shipping on Amazon, but you can get them, you know, all the way to 24 inches. And the ones that have the ember retainer, the only difference in that is it has like that mesh under it, I guess, to help keep your embers from falling down through the cracks. But that don't really bother me that much. If they fall down, they're not going to be too far. I need a coal bed under it anyway. But yeah, I'm going to try that on this cook today and see how it works. I figure while I'm doing a little maintenance and cleaning before I get started cooking here, go ahead and empty this freaking grease bucket. It's a little nasty stuff. What I do, I'll just dump this into a big Ziploc bag with some paper towels and put it in my trash can that way. Keep it from making a mess all over everything. There it is. It's nasty, but it's contained at least. Won't make a big mess in the trash can out here. But I'll wipe that out a little bit better. Anyway, you can get these buckets with liners. I have one. I bought it before I ordered, or actually right when I ordered this smoker. And it comes with these aluminum inserts. I suppose you could just take some aluminum foil and put it in there and get the same thing, but then I realized this smoker actually came with one, so I've got an extra small bucket around here. And I got it fired up and going. Add a little bit more oil to the grates here. So I can clean them off. I'll shut the lid in a few minutes, let them get good and hot. Add a little bit more spray oil to the top of the firebox to keep my finish up. And those aren't pine, if you're wondering. This hardwood sticks I got from the wood guy. He uses them for kindling and stuff. He gave me a bag of them a while back. I've mentioned him before. Check him out, Foothills Firewood, here on YouTube. But we'll get this thing good and hot to make sure any oil residue that might still be on that little grate I bought gets burned off before I put food on here.